Developing right now, a stern warning from U.S. health officials about the coronavirus outbreak. They want Americans to be prepared for the possibility of an outbreak here as cases grow around the globe. This as the virus continues to impact world economies. Tuesday afternoon, I'm Jeanette Reyes.
And I'm Brian Taft. The big story on Action News is that new warning and uncertainty surrounding coronavirus in the United States. That's prompting another steep drop on Wall Street today. A lot of news developing on this front this afternoon. Action News' Sarah Bloomquist live now in the studio with the very latest on all of it. Sarah.
Yeah, federal health officials said today that coronavirus will certainly begin spreading in communities here in the United States. And it's no longer a question of if, but when and how many will become infected. They added that Americans should be ready for a significant disruption to their daily lives. That means the possibility of schools and daycares closing and policies requiring people to work from home. ABC's Alex Perche reports now from Washington, D.C.
From Italy to South Korea to the Middle East, new cases of coronavirus popping up every day, making this a global pandemic. In Iran, the head of the country's counter-coronavirus task force tested positive for the virus himself.
The immediate risk to the general American public remains low. But as we have warned, that has the potential to change quickly.
President Trump petitioning Congress for $2.5 billion for vaccine development, treatment, and protective equipment. Some lawmakers saying it's not enough.
The Trump administration has been caught flat-footed. The administration has no plan to deal with the coronavirus, no plan, and seemingly no urgency to develop one.
The president firing back on Twitter, writing Schumer is complaining for publicity purposes only. Today, senators met behind closed doors with top health officials. Health Secretary Alex Azar says the country will need about 300 million respirators. Right now, it only has some 30 million.
Is that request enough?
Well, we'll see if it's enough. It's $2.5 billion. If it's not enough, we'll appropriate more.
I am very concerned that we are not prepared for this or for anything like it in the future.
There have been 57 confirmed cases in the U.S., prompting the CDC to issue its highest travel warning, saying Americans should avoid all non-essential travel to mainland China and South Korea. Now the International Olympic Committee says it could cancel the Summer Games in Tokyo because of coronavirus. It'll decide over the next 3 months. In Washington, Alex Perche, Channel 6 Action News.
And today, lawmakers from both parties expressed concern that the Trump administration may not be prepared for the outbreak, and the CDC is predicting, and some are questioning whether that $2.5 billion is really going to be enough. The president's top advisors insist they are moving aggressively, but acknowledge that a vaccine is at least a year away, and there are not enough supplies, such as respirators, for healthcare workers. All this is disrupting the global economy. Take a look. For the fourth straight day, the Dow is down, closing here at about 879. The Dow here down at the moment, not quite as bad as yesterday when the Dow closed down 1031, but the fourth straight day for the Dow to be down. Now closing, the number settling at 878. Investors are worried.